going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. We got a 2016 Dodge Hellcat in here. Really excited about this one. I know I say that a lot, but we truly are excited about every job that we do because we love what we do. We're getting ready to do it in the fluorescent yellow. It's a brand new Hexis color released at SEMA. This is actually the car here behind me. This thing looks amazing how it sits now. It's got the full MFR Engineering kit on it. Side skirts, splitter, wicker bill on the back, the diffuser. This thing is gonna look killer. So let me show you the color that we're gonna do. I mean, this, I don't even know how well this color is gonna show up on the camera. It's that bright. We took it out in the sun earlier. You can't even really look at this thing dead on. So this is the Hexis here. And it shows up a little bit, but it's still not as good as what it does out in person. It's gonna look amazing. Huge shout out to Hexis, Hexis America, Verada down there, and TBL Distributors who actually brought it up to us. These guys are killer. They've got some amazing colors. Definitely go check them out, Hexis. All right, one thing that we did forget to mention, we're actually pulling the headlights out to send them off to PS Lighting Solutions. If you guys have already seen his page, which I doubt you have, because you don't follow him on Instagram, go check him out. They are completely out there. That's the man with the plan right there. Won't use your government name. But he's getting ready to do, not doing the chasing, right? Just color change.
Color shifts.
Color shifts, color shifts.
And demonize and lens etching.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, that's right. They is doing the lens etching on them. What's he doing on the centers?
The cat face stencils.
What is it?
The Hellcat.
Oh yeah, that's right. And it's gonna match. He's got a. Well, you can't see it right there because the bumper is sitting here. He's gonna also have the SRT that does the exact same color shift, or not color shift. I keep saying that, man. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about wraps. Got the color shifts. Color shifts. Color chase. That's right. So if you guys don't follow him, I'll put his link up here in the top. Go check him out on Instagram. So the car is completely torn down. We're getting ready to start on the hood. We're gonna put you on the time lapse like we normally do. Let us know down in the comments whether you love or hate this color. All right, so the headlights are back from PS Light Solutions. He's actually putting them in right now. Give you a little taste of what they're gonna look like. That's not even with any of the color shift. Hellcat's engraved in there. Do not ask for him to put those in. He will not do it. It's a one-time deal. But if you want yours done, you can put them in yourself. It's got all the instructions and everything to go with it. But check out check out the page. Had a stroke, couldn't talk there. PS Lighting Solutions. Bumper's almost finished up. We're getting that finished, all the tucking and the edges. And that's the last little bit right there. All right, so PS Light Solution has the headlights in. We've got the front bumper installed. They're actually linking it up to the phone right now. We still got to do the trim pieces on all of the diffuser splitters. That one's done over there. That thing's nasty. It's got everything wired up. X-Lume for the SRT. It's the first one that I've seen on there too, especially in the States. Thing's coming up real nice. Had to wrap the logos to match, or the emblems to match. So as we always do, we're gonna do a video shoot, photo shoot afterwards. So definitely make sure to tune into the I'm having a stroke! I can't talk! Make sure to watch that. All right, so we just pulled this car outside for the first time. It looks 100 times better than it has when we were filming. It actually shows up the right color. We're getting ready to go do some really nice shots. Clark with 365 Productions in the back of the truck, getting ready to risk his life. As always, this thing looks amazing. Definitely make sure to watch the end of the video. Stop playing games.